Hi, my name's Cameron. I work with Green Mountain Solar, a solar PV installer in Vermont. This is a house. These are solar panels. They make clean, abundant electricity from the sun. We're putting solar panels on this house. So this is a meter socket adapter from ConnectDER, and I'm going to show you why this is a great solution to connect solar to your home. This is a main panel for a house, and normally solar would get tied in here. When I go inside a house to install solar, you never know what you're going to find. You could have a really old panel, it could be rusty, the wire size could be wrong, it could be monstrosity in terms of things you might have to do. And using a ConnectDER meter socket adapter removes all these variables and streamlines the entire process and makes it more efficient and safe. So in order to install a ConnectDER meter socket adapter, you have to turn off the power to the house. Pull the meter. Now I'm going to install the meter socket adapter. Attaching the neutral from the meter socket adapter to the main meter's neutral plug. Check to see if the breaker's off, which it is. I'm going to attach the cover for the junction box to the actual unit. Once the cover is on, just plug the solar right in. Remount the meter. Then turn the house back on. And we're on. Utility companies can easily access the meter socket by popping off the top junction box, taking off the meter can right here, and then when they're done, popping the actual junction box back on. So I like this adapter because it streamlines the entire process. We don't have to deal with the headache of going into the main panel, going into the house. You don't have to deal with any chock-a-block full main panels, weird wiring. You just take the adapter, put it into the main meter, and connect the solar in, and you're done.